Medical Officer Ratchet reporting.
I am Ratchet, I am your friend. Prescribing metal at full volume will show the damn turrets, their vitals drop. For them I am the Doctor of Doom. This is where I spend my days, I use my thoughts and hands. I'm diagnosing every beat, no patient here can take a seat. I'm here to make the right decision. My diagnosis is full precision. We got a pulse, the crowd's alive. This is the cure you need to survive.
How do you know? Destroying Cybertron wasn't enough for you?
Where is the patience? Time to act, no hesitation. Keep it focused, keep it clean. I'll do what's right for the team.
Glad you made it in one piece.
Control the stage, my reps cut through like a surgical blade.
You Decepticons just want to spread destruction anywhere you go.
It's alright, I'm an emergency vehicle.